wesifazane uyaziwela yabo, uzothi uyakhuluma khona la angabuzwa khona angangemnini ndaba wayekhuluma ukuthi hawu niyachoma nithi bundle of joy ama-blessing yini labantwana benu abangenziwa lutho abangahlawulwa abangawondliwa ini ngichoma ngalabo bantu. Mina umzali ungayisho kanjani leyo nto bese ngiyathula ngithi uThamara nje ngiyasho nje noma ngindlule ngisho ukuthi ngiyavulela lo umuntu wesifazane yabo noma ngesemnaka angaze comment futhi kuye angaze ngiposte ngalo but ngiyathula hawu uthini lo muntu base khuluma futhi abantu besilisa bayamfakazela yabo uyayipostela okunye abantu besifazane bayaposta ubone futhi sebeyathuka abantu besifazane lapho kuthiwa zona le ngane zethu eyingayicelelanga ukuthi sizane uyayibona leyo nto ubone ukuthi uyayibona leyo nto kodwa ungeke usho lutho vele uzosho usayi anginendaba naloya sisi in kodwa isilibe
People is saying we shouldn't have reacted, we should have just maybe starved her of any energy. But at the same time, people are going to be affected by what she's saying. And especially if she's attacking women. You know what I mean? Because
when I believe I was okay.
It's very sensitive.
Yes. And I know good thing guys.
People are always talking about it on TikTok, always talking about they're always under attack. Like are always under attack. It's always a hot topic on TikTok. All the time, all throughout the year. Imagine I'm feeling this fazane and she says things that are degrading. Not teaching, but degrading. Oh my god.
Nalapho uvuna abantu besilisa futhi nakwinkulumo zakhe uvuna abantu besilisa and then abantu besilisa yes and then abantu besilisa they turn her words they use isintu mina that's where I got so angry ukuthi basebenzisa isintu in a negative way ukuthi
mina laba abantu besilisa abavumelana noThamara ngiyabonga nje ukuthi iwing.
Most of them, I'm telling you right now, at least 95%.
And abakwazi ukuyimela.
I am telling you, abakwazi ukuphuma basho and abanye they haven't heard and they're not a part of the community. But 95% of men, I'm telling you, they agree
bethola ithuba ngoba kukhuluma uThamara.
Yeah. But at the same time, they're only hearing what they want to hear from her. They're not hearing the part where he's degrading women. And I think it has to do a lot with the fact that men in their minds already don't respect women that much. So when they hear her saying things that are degrading a woman, it's not like a surprise. Because if you sit and you listen to men talk when they are by themselves, they say the most disgusting things. They boast about doing the most disgusting things to women. When they are just by themselves. Remember, you're in earshot of listening to what they're saying. I'm telling you now, 95% of them don't respect us and they absolutely agree. They're going to tell us what we want to hear.
Tamara, guys, she doesn't know English. She doesn't know English. So when she used the word value, I don't think she really understood what it means. Ngoba namhlanje, when you guys were exposing her, instead of saying nyang exposer, ute nyang betray. So betray and exposer, those are two different things. In what context are we betraying her? Like, I understand what she meant. So I think also herself, she doesn't know how to articulate herself. Yes, akakwazi really articulate. So leyo nemigama level ulifake in the wrong context.
Nanokuthi uzubona ukuthi amadoda amaningi ahlanya kanjani emakhanda yazi ukuthi they are men la ngaphandle abajabulele lento kuthiwe point whereby bakhombisa ngisho intombi zabo ngisho abafazi babo ukuthi bayayijabulela kuxatshene kuma relationship ngalento kuxatshene kukhulunyiswana
mina wemamshengu ngisasho namanje ukuthi yabona laba bathi kunye Thamara team Thamara ibani apho labo bantu labo abantu besilisa ngisababona nje ukuthi bangabafana amadoda ngempela nje abahambisana nalento kaThamara.
Mina nje kube bekuya ngami umuntu make yathi indoda yakhe team Thamara lahla leyo nto
blocker lelo phara.
That's why mina uThamara ngathi beka ngathi usathanezima
lahla lelo phara lento
aba ema relationship phelile
There's only one.
Ngiqala ukubona ukuthi abantu besilisa bayilwane kanje. Uyake yathi cousin yami if ngoba ule woman ngathi ngathandana namanye ama-tribe not namaZulu. Uthande mhlambe noma ungathi uyitholile guy from Limpopo or anywhere not amaZulu.
Right, because
uqinisile. Uyabona amaZulu, yabona nje yingakho thina amaZulu sizoshada abantu bangaphandle ngoba abantu bangaphandle abanawo lomqondo lobo abantu besilisa laba bangamaZulu abanawo. Ngoba abantu laba ababesilisa bangamaZulu sekude ukuthi baqhubeke.
Hayi babukise yazi sihlezi thina sithi
mina
amanye ama-tribe bayigxeka abantu besilisa bethu bethi abasecircumcisanga banento encane sihlezi silwa ngathi siyabazi bonke
balwela
like still ubona ukuthi silwa namanye ama-tribe ngokuthi bathinta la madoda angakithi.
Yes.
Yabona basidelelesile shem yazi babukele ukuthi kuthiwa kanje nina singabantu besifazane anilutho aninaveli.
ukuthi enye teke umuntu wesilisa uTim Tamara okay noma ngithi uma ngabe unendoda uTim Tamara kungcono uma ngabe ningashadanga. Yabona lo odoshadile uTim Tamara awuneshwa cha unebhadi unebhadi lo ahleli naye endlini uTim Tamara ahleli naye endlini amgani hayi cha lamlahlela kubo ishwa nje.
Yebo.
Ngiyabonga host ngiyabonga ngenza ukuthi ungimukele cha nami lento iyangithinta ingiphatha kabi mina ngike sayidini laba abafowethu laba abathatheke kuThamara laba bemfakela imali bawothathekele too much amaqoqo ngiyabona laba bayabhala ama comment la bazothukuza isilokhuluma isingisi ngazi bahlushwe yini ngayo so lengane le ayihloniphi leli gama elishoba ethi kufuna olukungani bethi usesaba abanezingane abanaveli amasiko abanaveli bayimoto lengane engazosangana lengane ngasitshela ingane incane kanje thina amasiko le2K lento engasile ekhaya so abekwa yichuphetha ngane so umuntu esifanele onengane usengayizisanga yena.
Ayazi ngiyajabula ukubuza ukukhuluma kanje. The only thing engiyifisayo ukuthi ukuba ukhulume kanje ngenkathi uThamara engakaveli ukuthi i-past yakhe injani. Because ngenkathi kusashube ngempela benithule guys.
Bekuthula ke.
Bethuka thina.
Like namanye mhlambe amba who were on our side, who were talking into ANC sense. Those of you who also agree guys, and very long it adds to the problem. If you believe in something, uyaimela. Into manje iqiniso uyaimela. But siyabonga ukuthi ngiyakwazi ukuhlaziya and you guys actually have critical thinking. Siyabonga lokho but nje
mama
kufanele uyimele ube nesibindi because otherwise
nokuthi mama mina ngizwile mina bekhuluma ngale ntombazane bengayifollow ngifollow ukuthi ngifuna make avula live ngitshele live ukuthi nangane wena awuhambe ulisesha kahle wena ukho right wena awukwazi ukuthi ngathuka osisibamba ukuthi abanezingane ukuthi angithandi ngoba igcine lile nengane lili kwazi ukusiphatha kahle uqala so abasilisa laba badlala ngabantu besifazane bebazasingane bebashiya bengazondi ingane bengazothi umuntu efanele uyathengela bathi ogqoka bathini ngabo yindaba belokhu bebathi diye bengakwazi ukuthi batshele iqiniso ukuthi abafanele abanezingane mina ngifuna ama gift kuthini vele fanele ngithenge loba ama gift salana fanele ngithenge ama gift iyasangana le ngane ekhaya
njengoba nje bebaningi angako baby mama uma ucabanga wena imost yalabo abantu befuthi beba-comment are not or baby dead because it was bayazazi kwayibona ukuthi bonile le
Kwabona basebenzisa izibongo zogogo babo. Kwabona.
Exactly abalungisanga and they angry kahle. That's why I even said in one of my posts this is a lot deeper than just men are not necessarily angry at women, they're angry at themselves. For isn't they meaning that very hard. Are fighting their own battles and a lot of the time but sometimes it's not meant to be.
Yeah. Nesa siswami buka nje umuntu obhala lapha uthini ubani ungonyama enkulu uzobhala ya ngifuna zingizwise lezi ifebe yazi igama lesifebe leyinto enzima kanjani uboshwa uyaboshwa uyabuza kathi umuntu ubiza ngesifebe wakwalala naye mina ngazi abantu abadala be-actise kwey'ngane
Bayaboshwa ngempela? Uyakwazi ngempela ukumbona?
hawu umuntu ngiyakutshela mina uyabo ifoni ukwazi ukurekhoda ngisho inkuba asuke ikhuluma umuntu uhambe i-police station futhi uvulile okungani futhi uvule i-case lapha uyaboshwa umuntu usukhuluma ogama
ukuthi nabantu
Ababosho bonke-ke laba abalapha kwi-comment section yami uNkulunkulu wami mawulazi kagcwala njalo.
bengibona noMax ukuthi siyilungele bengibona noMax ekhuluma ethuke inhlamba egqoke uniform uyazi ukuthi bekathuka inhlamba ethuka inhlamba egqoke uniform just because thina singabafazi siyazi ukuthi singakwazi umphuca lesinkwa sakhe kodwa asiyenzanga leyo nto kodwa engabonga
funa siyehlonipheni bakwethu mina yabo mina bangithuka abaningi mangithi mina umuthi nanomuntu esifazane angimele ukuthi umthande mawubroke emabo umthande wami mawubroke mawubone imali uyaqala manje awukwazi ukumsiza lento ukuthi thiwe intombi udliwa kubo umsangano futhi nawo lo ngeke ukuthi ngathi ngidala nawe but uzongqashela ungwashela kwenze lonke into ngeke ngakwazi ukujabulisa mina esifazane funa athanele umbhede kuphela kumele kumkhiphe ngibuyele out abuyele out
Yes.
uyenza
Ngathi ngiyabona sengiphaka isikhaftini.
Hayibo. Nanokuthi bathi unamanga mawuthi umuntu ungaboshwa. Nize niyibona nifundile nenazinja la ehleli la kuma comment. It's called defamation of character. It's called defamation of character. Mangithatha screenshot la manje ungibiza ngamagama.
yamase usakhawula uboshiwe sikhuluma uboshiwe into ekanjalo
Yes.
uboshiwe into ekanjalo
nina dadewethu
Siyakuzwa lapho ngibingelela.
yena nje
Ngathi yakhuluma sibhelela ngicabanga ngazi kodwa
Into efanele yenze manje fanele si-order ama-pizza akho ngoba kumele siphathe
Yes, nama-cake.
Ngibona
ama-pizza ngoba fanele siphathe i-cake bafanele nama-cake asikwazi ukuyasebenzisa izandla.
guys cela niyirekhode le uthi amanzi guys ngiyibangani enganenza amadoda uye endodeni yakho sekumele uphathe hayibo nani yebo even isivakashi kili nje kumele size basize ulala ekhaya kumele sifike nento yokudla
you understand the wrong then. You understand the wrong thing.
Uzophatha isikhaftini uyigibelele kuyodliwa wena uphinde ubuye nemali yakho.
ake sini kusiphelele
yebo
Niyaphila kodwa?
siyaphila
Siyaphila. Cabanga ukuthi le yokuphatha umuntu endodeni ni understand the wrong. Angithi usuke uya okay. Ngicela ngidedela. Ngicela nje. Khona nje ngiyacela uma uya la uthanda khona akoni ukuphatha nje noma ijuice uphathela umuntu wakhe ijuice mhlawumbe uyamuntu la uthanda khona mhlawumbe uphatha amashini noma chips yabo uya la uthanda khona ngithi awuphoqwanga uyojabula nomuntu wakhe ngithi uyaphatha noma ayindlela ukuthi ngipizza uphathele umuntu wami enjoy naye doesn't mean usifuna uphatha isikhaftini uma yini ungayiphatha ngoba uya la uthanda khona
Uyayinabukelisa.
Usho kanjalo yini uThamara Nyathi?
Uyayinabukelisa.
No, imani guys.
Ayikhulunywanga kanjalo uyayinabukelisa.
Tamara mina. Angisho yaThamara.
Athi break.
Yathi nasikhuluma ngale ishilo yini.
Akingena
Uyayinabukelisa.
Ungabe ngiqamba manje.
yabona mina siphelele mina siphelele mina umuntu wami like let me say my ex yabo khona phela ubona ukuthi yasisi uyoyidla lento no baby athi ngiyithathe yabo hayi ukuthi kumele mina bangiya kuye yabo noma ethi kwashibla la ngizondlula khona yabo noma ethi angiphekanga ngiyagoqoza kodwa mina ngithanda ama take aways yabo noma esho ukuthi ayakanayo imali leyo uya understand nathi senhlula yini ukuthi uhlale phansi nomuntu owayithethela yena wamshela na please khathe eside umtshela ukuthi baby angiyithandi lento yakho yokuthi ngevalentine uzo expect ukuthi uthengele yini gift angithandi lento yokuthi njalo wena uzofuna imali noma ngenayo imali umtshela isimo sakhe izimo ayifani wena ngeke uphike nobhumava kumava mhlawumbe uthi intombi yakhe noma uma unkosikazi wakhe asifana siya-understandsisana and umuntu okuthandayo
Kuphelela aphenduleke.
Cabange nje siyovasha
There's more to say.
yabo yabona sengiyigoqa nje umuntu wakho uyamtshela ukuthi umuntu wakho futhi ngeke akujabulela ukuthi wena awenzi lutho engani-upgrade umuntu wakho uzohlezi ethi hawu usukwenzile ini 1 no 2 okuthandayo labantu nikhethela nina kodwa nje this time bese nithi nje thama uyaqala ukukhuluma iqiniso wena ulikhuluma ngani iqiniso kwi-relationship yakho
Mina kune-experience yokulambiswa uma endodeni because lento iqala ekuthenini ethi uzoze uthi umfana uyakulambisa wena uphathi ngani ukudla kwakho unale experience kade asebemvalela ema-backroom emakhaya kubo bemlambisa experience yokulambiswa
kuthiwa lo muntu uyasiyala uthi nawe uphathe i-six-pack ningabe ngoba nibanda no-2 uyasiyala futhi lokho kuthiwa ukuthi nijake ukuphendula
isizwe
uyanakha lo muntu
isizwe mabesha
nanokuthi guys abantu besisa nje ibona abayishelelayo why eshela umuntu ongekaze abambisane naye like kwifuthi abaleyo ifuthi abasiphelele ukuthi nina ngishela abantu aningabambisani nabo abantu aba-expect ukuthi nibenzele yonke into benganisizi ngalutho baningi abantu besifazane abaney'ngqondo ehluzekile abakhayo asiyisheli thina futhi asinisheleli inini enibambe iy'ntambo la nihambe niyoshela suke siyingekho thina nifike futhi nikhethe umuntu enizomithisa nenze konke lokho suke siyingekho thina lapho it's all the decision of the man
nina into eniyenzayo engeke ngiyiboye esengi-experience-ile nina engangigxeka nje lentombazane elithi elingasiyo ukuthi aniphathe mlambisa abantu ayikho nina mangabe masifika sinivakashele enihlala khona ukuthi mhlawumbe uhlala emqashweni into eniyaziyo nina nazi ukuthi angeke size silale singazange sidle nifike nisiphekele amanzi okugeza yonke into so manje le tshaya ngiphatheka kamali ngizothukwa nithukwelwani nenzini why nithuka angiyifuni serious lento lena angiyifuni because la iminyango abanye bafowethu lana abalaba ngathini abolaba abaphethe uthemba right laba bakhipha imali yibo kanye laba abajike bethi bethandana nentombazane ukuthi sithanda intombazane ithi mwashele imphekele hambe olobole intombazane ashiye le ahlala nayo endlini echabaza ingane zabantu yangiyanyisa futhi
yes
Mina kuphelele umbuzo wami ukuthi-ke yabona njengoba wena uthena angithi phela into uyenza ngoba kusho wena ngithi ukuthi hayi phela umuntu usuke umphathela nje noma ujuzanyana ngiyaku-understanda lokho ukuthi ngaye ngakwenza and I got dropped like a fucking clown.
yes
ngakwenza lokho I used to be that guys. So my question is njengoba uthi wena ukwenza uya la uthanda khona why kufanele umuntu uzoyiqeqesha ngoba phela uzokwenza la ithanda one thing about a woman mayekuthanda uzokwenza awudinga nokuthi uzomqeqesha
Yes.
why mina manje sekufanele kube khona umuntu ozoba spokesperson yenu ezotshela ukuthi senze njani njani ngoba
yazi ukuthi ngimtshele mabona
abantu abanyalile
yazi bafethu enye into umuntu wrong abesilisa besifazane wrong so yabo enye into engiyaziyo nginekho yayo akekho umuntu ongaza kuthola uthanda akekho umuntu ongaza amthola umuntu omthandayo umuntu omlandelayo amnika uthando
wamshenga uba umsindo
so kulento akekho wrong futhi akekho right sonke si wrong simithi silingane zabantu zishiya kanjalo angithi si wrong nani mantombazane niyasinika ingane engazukulu ni wrong so akekho umuntu ofana gxeko umuntu ufana ayilungisene amadoda afana ayilungise wona abe nesigungu sewayilungise wona yabo yazi mina ukuthi fanele silungise social media yabo so akekho wrong akekho right
okay uyabona njengoba uthi ayekho umuntu kufanele agxeke why phone namgijima ngaka usamara amagxeke abantu besifazane why mina nijabula kamgaga nizosigxeka not only ukusigxeka khona mina mangasibheka nje amavidiyo akhona enye iziya-respect namhlanje ikhishiwe kwa-TikTok because bese kukhulunywa laphayana it was so bad. It was so bad. Abantu besithuka besisho ngawo wonke amagama literally phambili abakwangibona kuphela nje oyi-one besisho ngathi
khona umsindo yazi guys
khona nomsindo bafethu balama mic akhuluma azwakale kahle mamnguni.
Why Pony nafanele njabule ngalokho? It shows us a lot about the way that you think about us. Mina, that's all the underlying thing which I want you to realize ukuthi njengokuthi Tamara esenze lento ayenzile and men reacted the way that they did. It needs to be an eye-opener that will last forever in women's minds, because the way that men jumped on the ship and defamed our characters, abantu abangenzanga lutho bathi bazenzele content yabo kufika umuntu emthuke kuqulu isifebe umahosha engenzanga lutho all over TikTok. Y'all were doing that because you were given a platform and because you were given this feeling of somebody who's finally on your side, and I understand that it must be hard to be a man and feel like you're unheard in the world, feel like feel like there's nobody on your side as a man. But at the end of the day, you guys have a lot of shit that you need to deal with for your fucking selves. And I keep again it's not but you guys have a lot of shit that you need to deal with, and stop blaming every woman. Yes, women are not perfect, and sometimes women are the problem. Sometimes they 150% are the problem. But you guys have a lot of shit that you need to deal with. Stop blaming everything on women. Because putting responsibility, and now I'm a platform or kuluma, or to voice your opinions, or to give your thoughts or your emotions. But what are you doing for yourself to create those environments for yourselves? Why it doesn't mean delivered to by Tina it's a 20 jogo to carry all of the emotional burden? Why must it always be us?
Ubuzayo ukuthi uTamara uthuke bani. uTamara namhlanje kwi-live yakhe uthe ubhiliza isigodlo seyifebe. That is very derogatory language. So so guys, ngeke abantu bathule umuntu ekhuluma kanjalo, ekhuluma buhlapa. Okay, sorry.
Sometimes into efana niyazi bafowethu khona abantu abangakhuliswanga kahle kokuqala lokho. Khona umuntu ozokhomenta kabi kwivideo yakho, yabo. So ezinye izinto kufanele uzazi ukuthi abanye abantu abekho right nje ekukhulumeni. Umuntu kanjalo umuntu ku social media awumazi lo muntu uthi ubani wakephi usukuza umthuka kuma comment, yabo lona i-wrong leyo nto. Umuntu usuke engekho right wokuqala nje lokho i-point lami, yabo. Ufuna understand lento ukuthi uma ku social media vele uzothuka, yabo. Khona abantu angisho kulento eyaTamara kuphela, yabo. Khona abantu abangekho.
I think it's understand.
Yabona mamkhulu ngike ngame reportini, yabo. So mangime reportini ngangena i-call, yabo. Lavula i-robot, angiboni ukuthi i-robot iselivulile, yabo. Wangithuka umuntu ongemuva, angiboni ngenzeni kuyena, yabo. Wangithuka umuntu futhi wangithuka serious, yabo, lo muntu usediniwe, yabo. Awufethu angiboni ngene i-call, befane ngene njani i-call, yabo. Kuyimande ngisuka ngapha. So abanye abantu abekho right, ufuna ukwamukele lokho, yabo.
Ukwamukela lokho siphelele, but we're saying it's not right. Njengoba wena uthena, it's not right ukuthi kube khona abantu who are what is the word? I want to use the exact word. Kube khona abantu basically crucify or something, or people who are made to look like the bad people. So wena kanjalo.
Yeah.
So then
Yeah, le ndaba kaTamara bafethu sometimes ifana ngayinaki, yabo. Fine ngayinaki. Angisho ukuthi mamnguni niyeke, kodwa uTamara yena ningayifaka kakhulu izinto ezingondweni nje ezikhuluma noTamara, yabo.
No, siphelele yazi ukuthi yini ngicasulayo ukuthi sikhuluma kanje ngoba kuTamara manje sekuvezile ukuthi ubani. Okay, mhlawumbe angasho ukuthi sekuvezile yena, but sekuvelile ukuthi uba. All of a sudden now men are trying to give us advice. Sebayasaluleka manje. Bese abantu manje kufanele ba-understand ukuthi nokuthi understandani phela sisihlazisimo manje. No, what you guys did. At the end of the day, you guys exposed yourselves, and that's the thing. There's a very few people. I'm sure very few who stood up and said, very, very few. Most of you were silent. Most of you were vulgar in the comments. Most of you No, fuck that shit.
Yazi nomkhuni.
Fuck that shit. Yabona masingasilokho sisenze ngokuthi manje yafanele sibe lesintu abantu besifazane yafanele bahloniphe sithobeke noma ngabe kuthiwa sinyasinyela. That is exactly how we stay up. That is exactly how you guys think that's like guys. Because kuthiwa no umuntu efazana ukhuluma kanjani lona at the end of the day simnyama sisizakazulu fanele senze njani. Hayi sesizakazulu kusazulu manje all of a sudden asazona impela.
Ya kodwa nguni. I'm sorry ukuyisho lento. I'm sorry ukuyisho lento. Bakhona abesifazana aba-wrong. Ngeke ngikufihle lokho. Nokuthi mhlawumbe kushothi khona abesifazana abangekho right. Plus kwazini lokho. Lento nokuthi uthi shothi kodwa bakhona abesifazana abangekho right. Kufanele ukwazi lokho bafethu. Kufanele nikuvume nihlise umoya. Kodwa mase nithuka ku-wrong.
Cela ukubuza Boyspera umuntu o-wrong ngoba umsaphi empilweni yakho uphilelana naye umuntu o-wrong omonayo ukuthi yazi lo muntu lo akanginikeza peace empilweni yami ngoba phela uyayikhethela kumuntu wesilisa ulethwa ngokwempilweni yakho usubona ukuthi cha lo muntu akusiye lo engimfunayo umlethelani uzugcina usulimala usugcina usuthuka nabanye abantu. Guys, bafethu nje ngathi ngarekhoda lento nisiphoxe lesiningi amadoda amaZulu. Abona amanye ama-tribe ayasibuka njengamanje.
Asihleka.
Ile ndlela ekhulunywa ngani ngayo, ile ndlela kwenziwa ngayo ngani. Ya into engisayisho ukuthi thina siphuma sentanta siyobaphoxa lapha. Bekhuluma most of the time futhi bakwazi ukuthola ngani ukuthi nina niyanga entabeni basithola ngani and lawo ma point bawathanda ukukhuluma ngani bantu besilisa sigijime siyongena lapha singathi nathi simele sentabeni nathi manje ingathi bayanazi nonke ukuthi yo abantu bamaZulu kanento encane yo futhi nje bahlezi bezothukela ngani
amaZulu anjani abantu besifazane bona the Zulu women bethi okusalayo siyabathanda okusalayo siyabamkela because we are so welcoming of all of your shit and that is what I'm trying to say to you. We need to start becoming unwelcoming of all of that shit. I mean, I have for a while now and I really wish that more women would join because I want to give people respect. They will never and I need to do something else to win that but I get top because ngiyathanda angisho zonke too but do not accept bullshit. Telling me who they are, believe them. And I mean, these are basic things, and I feel like we're always failing as women. Like basic things. If someone is showing you who they are, just fucking believe them. Like.
Which I think ngale nzakwethu inkinga lento ngoba mina engidlela ngasho ngathi mina umuntu sometimes ikhona yabona ngifakaza lephuma ade show siphelela ukuthi abantu abalokungana abavele bethule umuntu angangazi social media ngokwami ngithi mina lo muntu osukwenza lokho ungacasa ukwadi uma umuntu yazi ukuthi kuyenzeka acontrol izinto zelimnyama uthethe nesinyama sometimes umuntu uthi akahlawula ngekhaya kubo kuneyinto ekhaleleyo mhlawumbe njengetiye mhlawumbe ubhingeka noma igubhana mhlawumbe imbili lokhamba so lento ayenzayo nayo akayithandi but yidlozi limqhanda lithi ngoba likhale into ethile kodwa manje limqhatha nabantu thanda ikhuluma izinto engalungile kubantu so nje izinto kanjalo uma umuntu uthola ukuthi uzohamba edelela kanti into zakhe ibheda kakhulu naqala
ngifaka amadoza uma simqala simfaka isini simfaka amadoza asahlangene ngempela
yabona mamnguni yabona
alungise into zakhe because at the end of the day siphila namaZulu namaXhosa amaTswana amapedi abelungu
abantu wait ngicela ukumana angusanele makhaya esikanjena emhlabeni.
So at the end of the day, you need to show up how you want to show up and how you want to be respected. Bazokuhlonipha kanjani wena mazokhuluma ngesintu wena you think they're going to accept that?
Kodwa khona ngempela
akushongo thina ukuthi uzwane namaXhosa basuke benithuka la kuma social network
thina kuthi uThamara azalela my friend kusho thina nathi akushongo thina uThamara my friend
nabo
ukuthi I have anger issues. I don't have anger issues. Again, what people are used to women speaking.
yazi bafethu
akushongo ukuthi azalela uAbdul
khulumela amaZulu nami ngomZulu Teze kuthiwa amaZulu asezembambeni. Yikho ukubumbana lokho kuthiwa abantu besifazane kanje ya. Teze amaZulu enza into eyi-1. Yikho kwenza into eyi-1 lokho ukuthi omama benu kanje abantu besifazane benu kanje. Yabo futhi
siphila ngathi sasingekho thina eginqile empuphini.
Uyakubona uyakubona baxabana laba abahlezi bebambene ngani uthi ibambe ngakho vele uthula uma ufunda ama comment vele uthula nathi bekukanjalo ke this time
Inhliziyo enecala ayikuthola ukuphumula.
Oh my gosh, that is sad.
Ayoqamela kumajikizi. Akusho ukuthi aqamela kumajikizi.
Yazi mamshengu ukuthi abantu besifazane basithandile.
Okay.
High school. Ngiyazwa abantu besifazane basithandile. Basinikile lento. Yabona high school makuthiwa siqala high school. Abantu besifazane basinikile lento ekhulunywa ngayo manje. I-loyalty.
Yeah.
Besilandela. Besinika uthando beyintombi angithi e-school sibatholile beyintombi abantu besifazana angithi basithanda basinika umntombi babo akekho umuntu akunika umntombi engakuthanda
Yebo.
njengoba sekukhulunywa manje kuthiwa ansenaveli nibile iy'ntombi angithi umntombi beniqede ba yabo so manje mase kuthiwa iveli ayisekho kukhulunywa ukuthi anisekho abantu besifazane basithandile sabamithisa sadlala ngabo njengoba sebeney'ngane manje iy'ngane vele ezethu thina esibamithisi labamithiswa ngomoya yabo so lento elokhu ibangwa angiboni sibangelwane abantu besifazane kuthiwa basahloniphi abantu besifazane
That's gaslighting, bro. That's fucking gaslighting. You know exactly ukuthi ngibangolani. Come on. Let's not do
Kubantu
this.
disrespect siphelele. I think it's just the disrespect. Disrespect nje ebangwayo la ukuthi abantu abakwazi ukukhuluma kahle nabanye abantu. You guys don't know abantu Zulu men abakwazi ukuba nama discussion open ngendlela right. Bavele balwe, nivele nilwe nina nifuna ukuthuka inhlamba, kuqhumo nje qhuma inhlamba ezinkulu nje anikwazi ukukhulumisana kahle nabantu besifazane because anifundiswanga lokho from nje ukuthi abantu besifazane anibahloniphi vele. I-hierarchy has always made ukuthi umuntu wesisa omZulu always be above. So as soon as umuntu wesifazane ezama ukukhuluma anything ngiyaxatshelwa nje ngidinwe njengoba uMamnguni mekhuluma la kuthiwa unolaka akanalo ulaka. She's just passionate about lento akhuluma ngayo and nina niyijwayele leyo nto leyo ngoba nibuye ngathi mhlawumbe akahloniphi or nje iyanithinta leyo nto leyo or iniphatha kabi. So that's the problem.
Ngibona futhi ozohlonipha kakhulu mina mfethu kade ngangihlonipha yazi futhi yabona lento esubmission kade yabona ozohlonipha kakhulu. That is exactly where they gaslight you and they dismiss you. Abantu besisa they absolutely dismiss about this person. They don't actually listen to them as humans. Oh, that's a teen and I show you. Let me take it into consideration. They literally just say anything that they need to say to shut us up. They dismiss us.
Sengimaza nokuthi u-invite ku-ama-Chichi festival uyothini ingane mayikhula ayilale namanje
lapha ingane lapha
uyothini nani uyothini ey'nganeni
Yebo nangifuna ukutraumathize ingane bengayivumeli ungayivumela kanjani
uyayitshela ukuthi ayizalo Abdul okuhle
ufuna ukutraumathize ingane manje
Angazi
ingane zi-right nkosami iphethwe ozamambo akamancane unangu basuzele ehlale mayincane
yeah yay
Start using illogic as soon as you start using illogic, that is exactly where you get mad. And then Zulu men, they have lento leyo ukuthi men are like this in general, whether it's Zulu or not, bakanje. As soon as you start using logic, they're no longer listening to you because you're attacking. It sounds like you're attacking
them. Yes.
Attack to them because they know that it's the truth and they're like, why is this woman telling me the truth about myself? Zulu men have, you see, that they use to just cover everything.
Yazi kufana nani Mamnguni wakwayigibela iteksi wakhuluma isingisi phakathi eteksini.
Acabanga ukuthi
I-backlash oyithola lapho okuzama ukukhuluma isingisi eteksini uzobona hey guys nje
ngivama ukuba uma ngihamba nosisifami siyasikhuluma sobabili but not ukuthi
like ukuthi angazi ukuthi ngayenza as example mawuhlakaniphile noma uveza ubuhlakani phambi kwabantu besilisa ho azulu nje usuwenze into Suwe nami ngifisa ukuba umpedi manje. Hayi.
Yazi yo guys, bengicela ngathi bangathandana nesikhathi angazi nje kuzovele kube into engahambi kahle. Kodwa hayi emva kwale inhlamba.
Hawu yazi amadoda bebaningi
Sanibonani.
kanjani yaphuma nkosi yami sekusele usanza kuphela wonke amadoda ahamba kade
Sanibona.
Lokho ekhala kuma-comment uba unkosi ucela ukufaka unkosi ngathi indoda nayo.
Ukuthi amadoda ahlukile namhlanje awazi ukuthi athini Nkosi yami.
siyaphila ngeke phela kodwa nawe sanza mfethu khuluma ngathi awuthandi
Kude kumlomo.
Hayi bo ngikhuluma kanje vela angikwazi ukukhulumela phezulu. Inkinga yami nje leyo.
Ncise.
Hayi mina ngiyanizwa. Ukuthi nje lento lena ngathini ngabeka kanjani mina. Lo muntu lo usithole singamadoda sishibhile vele. Ya usithole sishibhile wakhona nje umuntu ofika amtshela into amtshele yona wasithola sishibhile wayikhuluma wangathi namathumba. Ngiyakuhleka ngempela lento ibhlungu lento ngoba
Hayi futhi kuyahleka mina.
Nivele nilimele nisikenyiwe guys.
Sekusho khona usithole sishibhile bekumele ngase ikhulumele thina kuqala singalindi begomuntu kungasetshenziswa omunye umuntu uthi akhulume ezinye izinto yabo so yena usetshenzisiwe and yabona indlela abamsebenzise ngayo asari thi hayi bazomthenga leyo nkinto but on a long journey basazomshiya futhi endleleni and kumshiya kwabo abasamfuni eduze kwabo ngoba thina mina ngi-out ngilalela into ayikhulumayo uma sengimshiya sebemshiya bona endlini bazophinda bazomthuka ngale nto ade ayikhuluma yena and kubuhlungu into angayicabanga
Kuyazwela kithi siyazwela ngeke sijabule sibe
yeah wabona into ebuhlungu yena uright ngalendlela asho ngayo kodwa into angayicabanga ngeyodwa ngoba unama family anazo le inkinga lezi basazogubha ama secret abantu ama family akhona yonke into ukuthi kwenzakalana efamily kwenzakalana sekuzovela amanye ama secret ama family akhe
Yazi.
ngendlela ukuthi yena ukhuluma into ewrong yena akacabanga yena uyicabangele yena kodwa basazomthola na ukuthi and kuyovela into engabengamele vele engikwaziyo mina futhi engikubonayo khona kuhle kumsebenzele nabazomthengela le moto kodwa futhi bazomsebenzisa futhi kuleyo moto leyo into abayinhloso zabo bazoyifeza ngaye mase beqedile ukufeza inhloso zabo zonke vele bazomcontrola phela ngento akayithenga bazoyifeza zonke inhloso zakhe ngaye mase beqedile ukufeza zonke uyabona nje ngizokuthuza
Ngathi bemtshela nokuthi athini.
Okubuhlungu manje.
Futhi ukuthi sorry kulona ukuthi sekuvele ne-account yakhe ka Yandra 446 where la ayethweka khona enza yonke lezinto lezi azenzayo which is lento le masuqala kuyibuka uTamara it's like ukhuluma yonke into abeyenza yena because now kukhona la isina khona usina ubheka icamera ngqo kuvela iphente elimhlophe uthini what is she projecting safuna ukuza ukuthi ufundisa joba uklenya ukuthi uyafundisa ufundisa ini ukuthi nawe ntombazane mawugida ngephende ubheka icamera ngqo babuke bakwazi ukuyidweba imobozi yakho bekubuka ngamehlo labantu besilisa yibona futhi babuya labona abantu besilisa ku account kaTamara bayothi bafuna ama 5 rand wabo yeke u100 rand wami ngufakile hawu sekunjalo futhi manje
lalela
Yosimoshela
lapho
amatshitshi nje.
into angayazi yodwa futhi yabona labantu abamfakile imali abaningi bakhona basazofuna ukumbhadarisa falo imali angeke bamfakele imali mahala bayamdwebela nje bamdwebela nje ukuthi ukhona uzofaka imali eningi agcine bona ngathi right athonto ayifuna yamshiya amphasele omunye mase beqedile besomthetho sesiphumile kuwe
manje ayikhuluma lento because mayikhuluma umuntu wesilisa abantu bayalalela
vele
I feel like people don't really listen but as soon as umuntu wesilisa I said this in my video when they are done using her they are gonna spit
bazomshiya
out like she's nothing
lalela guys uthi usanele lengane iyasho nayo ukuthi isiyandlula kulokho ayikhulumayo thina siyeke nje lapho kasikaze siyeke
Usudlulelani pho phansi why is she dragging us down if ube sendlulile lapho
asikho njalo asikaze sifike just because sineyingane noma sineyingane
exactly
satholakala ema-tech shop phakathi
ukuthi enye into ecasula ngalento la ukuthi kunengane manje ilele engadlile imali zakhona ethathe zabo abafana laba abathatha bamnikeza imali zidlala ingane zakhona idlile thatha imali yonikeza uThamara angeke bazibekhulume kodwa lento leyo yebo uyothenga iphole ngaleso sikhathi akanadli umuntu okhona ukulala ekhaya uthe phisha imali emaphola ayidlala ingane engadlile yena adle ziyakhala lezo ngane akacabanga yonke into iyowela phe kwakhe yonke into kodwa nje kusho
yena kade sesebenza imali
profile yabantu abasenda imali ubuke noye akekho umuntu oyedwa lapho upost imoto kuyathini Thamara ziswa nje akekho nomuntu oyedwa ombona ukuthi mayenza ivideo yenzela ivideo kune headboard kupendiwe ke kwakupenda kodwa uthatha wona lo thubo engabe uyapenda ngawendlini ujijela Thamara kodwa phela wathi eyabi imali eya
brown kuma video akhe onke ugqoka icathulo ezodwa eyibrown onke ama video alabe uyothenga icathulo
hayi nesiphoxile kodwa no hayi afuna ungaphoxekile yini
they stood so low like they didn't even go low they went lower that's very low
odothi uThamara versus imdidi yawusakaza
nomuntu besebenza bekuyibusiness leli nithi uyashayela ibusiness leli push ibusiness lo
lo phendula yesomdidi kawusakaza akakayovakashela i-account kaThamara futhi umthwele odumile no Beyonce azathwekhe kanje
ngonyendala
hey wawusakaza manje
lalelani ke khona laba comment khona bathi yo Thamara isibombo esingaka wathi Thamara siyafofozela
fundisa Thamara fundisa mfowethu asisho ukuthi sithini thina we are building
into leyo I think ubani Candice Mkhize ngirepostile bakuthi ngempela uyikhole leyo nto hamba uyibheka
lo muntu ayale mina usuthi lo muntu lo hleli ezemkhulumela hayi guys thathani phela umuntu umfundisi uthatha lokho okwakhayo unganakindi eningi into yakhala lapha
manini nangu umxolani uthe somdidi yawusakaza sawubona wexolani ubonile ewusakaza
Xolani
khuluma kunini
uxolani yakubona boskemiwe abazani kaze naskemiwe abantu besilisa base bangisho nokukhuluma phela ukubona boskemiwe abantu kaze naskem
usequnye umlomo manje lo uthe singomdidi yawusakaza
iyahlekisa bandla yonke kodwa le ndaba leyakho gele
manje othe mina
ukuthi usangani
khona kade semina yazi wangisiza uThamara bengingazi ukuthi mina endlini hleli nesifele hawu usuye kumuntu wakumthemba uthemba umuntu obona la awuzakhala
yabona bethi uthi Thamara ukude ukuganwa uqhelelene nokugana uthi Thamara uqhelelene nokwakha imizi uthi Thamara akekho nje umuzo yoma nje umise ukuthola
umfazi
uthi Thamara
oganiwe uthi Thamara
I was on live after making my first video indaba hlekayo nobaba my dad was actually listening and did he not laugh at what
mina guys kodwa ngikwazi ukuthi mina my dad didn't even have WhatsApp guys like when you
ufake malini
so nje amadoda ngempela wayazi le ndaba like really
Wayena he was so entertained when he was listening because I mean obviously enjoying about school malana anybody who walked in can hear he was so entertained he was wahlala la ekitchen wangaya ngalo wahlala la ekitchen just to listen to what
le nonsense eyenzakalayo like TikTok hey guys
the same hey boys the same that I think of it the same Thamara Thamara in the month 6 months she's posting daughter nentshebe how jiki so you posted better futhi nomuntu wesifazane kanti what's viral what's going on what are you teaching mina ngifuna ukunderstand what you teaching ukuthi what are you teaching because kuthi Thamara uvusizwe uyasakha njengabantu besifazane what are you building ukuthi wena ngenyanga eyodwa kwazi ukulala nomuntu wesifazane nowesilisa
sengakho umuntu oquality onje yake ke nani keke kahleni
kana sithatha kancane abo sithatha kancane le value lena nivele nabuya ingekho ngempela seyishilo uThamara iphara phela uThamara ukuthi engawakhathini
hibo
awukhuluma nje kahle senikhuluma Tamara noma asenabo Pastor Zondo manje abasakhayo asenabo Linda Sibiya abantu abasakhaya sekumele sakhiwe uTamara ngeenhlamba yazi mina ngazi ukuthi isiZulu siyahlonishwa ukhuluma yabo mina ema-RS bengihlala amaXhosa ngihlezi ngakhuza njalo ukuthi guys cela ningakhulumi nami kanje mina inhlambi iyangithusa ngumZulu bethi phela sisungumXhosa awuvela isiXhosa vele siyahlambana isiZulu siyahlonipha lokhu ukungiyala ngenhlamba ngimdala ngingaka ngiyalwe ingane ngenhlamba
defend izinja
engena matric ingane izoyala mina engaka hayibo uTamara
defend izinja
yabo nje the more ngizwa nje the more I just hate myself for even entertaining yonke lento yazi ngiyizonda for ukuyinaka lento because it's just like ayingeke like ayitshela kakhulu angazi kodwa nje awungeke ayi
siyitshela kodwa nje guys akudlaliwe ngathi
lento lena a brother of mine uyabona lento ukuthi obhuti bakho uhlangana nabe emazweni uyangitext so I posted the live bengikuyo no Mamguni before so ukuthi waze walenza uTamara he's responding ukuthi hey mina ngiyibona into so wrong ngathi thula wena nje ayikho into oyikhulumayo he's a brother to me akazalelanga emshadweni okokuqala lokho like I'm confused and then wena into ekukhulumisayo uma wakho ufike nobhuti wakho omdala okokuqala lokho kusho ukuthi uma wakho uyisifebe lento iyangixaka mina ngoba igacela nakonyokobeni ukuthi yini manje le esiniphaphisa kangaka or sukungenendaba noma wakho na ngoba ubusy up team Tamara uTamara uxoba ngisho uma wakho ayina wena lokho awuboni ngoba uyisiphukuphuku kunalakho le mali engabe uyifakela umzali u100 engabe ufakela umzali ukuthi abuye nebribe pack cha uthengela uTamara polo mele uTamara azobe hamba ngalo namadoda akhe futhi lelo polo ayi
Mamguni
Kolani
uthini wekhaya uposte ulive ubunami
ekupholweni lenu
khona lo live lo is it last week ebengikuwona so I took a screenshot I posted on my status hore ngwazi wayenza indaba uTamara that's what I said and then he responded ukuthi ayiboni into wrong in show Tamara uvalela ingane yaseRest manje imithi kwayona leyo ngane le azaza ilobole namanje ibhizi yahlala inyuka la campus nesisu kodwa ukwazi ukutshela mina yo hi guys mina abafana ninangqondo shem ayikho umuntu ongenangqondo njengomuntu osilisa emhlabeni mina ngiyabona
kodwa guys like uMamguni said ukuthi let's just take this as a lesson
no niyamvumela uthi hayi sonke kodwa niyamkwazi ukumvumela uTamara bayizofaka sonke kwi-bracket elilodwa lokusela
hayi ngiyala mina
Sacela usikhiphele lo phashile la ungakhulumi
kodwa guys uMamguni is right ukuthi
nabasho ukuthi hayi sonke nathi
regarding le
hayi mina
uTamara wagadla ngisho ingane zethu esizele nani
ukwazi umngene emlomeni sebs bantu ngicela ungahlezi all the time ubangena emlomeni ulwethu bekhuluma
ngithi mina uMamguni was right ukuthi at the end of the day lento le kumele ifundise abantu besifazane how to react to abantu besilisa nje ngiyababona ukuthi bayilwane kanjani ayikho lento sesingamblame nje uTamara kahle uTamara ubesisiza guys uvezile kahle ukuthi simeke phakathi kwethu nabantu besilisa lempi le it was between women and men kahle ikahle nje impi ephakathi kwamagender kahle vele futhi ekade yavela ngoba sihlezi vele sikhwagana yes so uTamara is just a cover up nje yokuthi kube ngathi uye phela vele ngoba uyena umsuka wayo lento le yabo abantu lesa vele badiniwe ukuthi sometimes nathi sibuye sibadelele nathi basidelele nje i-back and forth emayelana nalokho le kahle okusho ukuthi umuntu kumele afunde ngezakhe both men and women nawe umuntu wesilisa yeka ukuthandana nomuntu wesifazane ozokuthatha advantage nawe umuntu wesifazane musa ukufuna ukuzuza ngomuntu wesilisa full stop lento kube sayivala lapho ngabe mhlawumbe ayikho la simosha lesikhathi sonke
uphendula wena ethi uxolo ukuphendula wena wena mnqansa I don't know how to call mnqansa ukhomba abanye kodwa isithupha sikhombe wena khaya njengoba noTamara wenu ekhomba thina mara ithupha imino 4 yonke ikhombe thina Angi-understand ukuthi how do you say that. That is why ngisho mina ukuthi you group us. Kodwa mase senigroupa nani, you don't want that. Ngiphendula wena Mqansa ngoba uthi mina u4 mina ngiyazi ukuthi mina u4 mina ngizeli. And abantwana bami ngibazele sharp angondlwela kodwa kusalayo engisho ukuthi mina noThamara siyinto eyodwa thupha zegwayini mina ngingcono kanginawo ama video ngifequza anginawo ama video ngithweka anginawo ama video ngisina ngimbhekile indini nibheke engqomehlweni so uyabona ukuthi akufani akulingani as much as mina noThamara zele kodwa akulingani hope uphendulekile weMqansa
anizele ngokufana
Sawubona wexolani kanti uyakhuluma kanti uyakwazi ukukhuluma bhuti Yebo Melusi
kuhluke ngani ukuzala kwami noThamara
ezakhe ingane zo4 yakhe iyodwa
wema ubebo mana ushizisa uzaThamara lezo zo4 khushula nale eyodwa ephilayo nale yabekhuluma ngayo ukuthi kwenzakalani zimbili mina zambhuti mhlawumbe uma ukuthi ena ziyaphila kulona ziyaphila zombili futhi dad ayikho yasezulwini khona nje zasemhlabeni eziphila zombili
mina nje yami yodwa ngiyayondla hayi kancane ngiyayondla
ngoNSFAS wodwa mntamazi yanela zombili ngawo lo 1.6 wodwa mina ngincenge indoda yakomunye
Izwani uyafunda usisi guys she's studying and also using the resources that she's getting from her studies to take care of her children umuntu wesilisa ngabe akakwenzi lokho nginesiqiniseko futhi salokho
ama-club ngalo 1.6 mawukuthi usazophinda thathi lo 1.6 ondla ingane bese uthenga ngobani iteki la 1.2 adla 400 rand hawu dlala abantu besilisa
abantu besilisa sebengakhuluma nje la kodwa bayazibona ukuthi they live in homes which are headed by women uyazi ukuthi igrocery ithenga oma wakhe nosisi wakhe no-aunt bakhe yena ugcina ngokuthengisa ingwa nje azenze uyazi futhi akamazi nokumazi ubaba wakhe anokuthi uyisidakwa akamazi
hayi ngisuka sambeke we-relationship mina ukuthi uJune noDecember ngiqokisa indoda ngiyabona nje uThamara ake ngithi ngidlame ngiyabonga lokho ngalo 1.6 ngokuthengisa ngisuka kusuka sambeke the same guys futhi ngiyazi ukuthi ngoJune Nkosi yami umfana wabantu nezingane zami akagqokile labe khona nangoDecember ukuthi mayiphuma phela akahamba buko
sanibonani bafowethu
sawubona
sanibonani ngenayo inkosi nosamkelisiyo
yebo hayi cha nami bafowethu ngibuya kwi-account ya 2022 hayi ngihlanze ngedela ubufeqo bulapha
ngani
hawu intombazane bengiyibona le ntombazane ukuthi ikhuluma ngezinto ezihlela yona isikhathele kusiyami manje isithi nje ayi phela sinjalo mase sihlule impilo masingathwasanga nama 2000 masingayanga ukuyothwasa senza lokho kwenza uThamara nje
hayi wayibeka mama hayi wayibeka
uyabona nje uma isuka lapha ephehlweni mayisuka nje
azoyithenga inkomo yokumkhipha
nizozo bethi makhosi bazomthenga vele inkomo yokumkhipha ephehlweni nabafana sengibabonile bayomthengela
ikhona vele inkomo nembuzi usathi
bakhe noRondo
lapha ngabe bathi balaya thina ngoba phela masikhuluma bathi nisizo nilaya somthengela imoto bulalwa ngibani imali kabani ephilayo
yabona la
ngathi bazoyithenga ngeyethi imali
waze wahlakanipha uThamara emhlabeni uhlakaniphile ngoba uyabona into ayenzayo uyicabange kahle
uyicabangele nami sengifisa kuba oyena nje seyiwazi abagila abantu besilisa ngeke uthanda umsebenzi wakhe muhle
uyathuza akayidle mntana abondli vele akayidli abantu abondli vele
emotweni yakhe uAbdul wakhe eceleni
mane nashazo maningi ama divorce azovela after la ngoba labantu bathatha imali amadoda athatha imali support into engamele bayisupport ukuthi masemele bathenga izinto zasendlini bahlule kuyithenga ukuthi hayi awuphume kanje qhubeka nempilo bazoyihenga futhi amadoda lawo basazoyihenga amadoda uzawuzwa
okulandelayo women at trash wangishiya sengimenze leyo
Nkosi
Sawubona Nkosi unjani?
Imani phela bafethu, imani bafethu, imani. yazi mina bengizothini mina bengizothi yazi nina menginibheka yabo nje uMamnguni nje isihlobo sami oqala right ngakwelinye iside yazi nina menginibheka ngibheka impilo eniphilayo imani ngoko menginibheka mina njengoba ngimbuka uMamnguni ngike ngawangena elokunjani yake ngathola ukuthi uyasebenza yabona nje noma umbheka uyambona ukuthi uyaphila lo muntu yabo bafethu mhlambe mina ngizobeka isimo omunye mhlambe uzongizwa la ekhona mhlambe la nina enihlala ngakhona kungconywana mhlambe nikhulumela impilo eright yabo la nabafethu kuseMaritzburg yabo okunye okubonayo okwenzakalayo ngampela bafethu kuwes okubona kwenzeka libe sakhula la awubona khona ukuthi ezinye izinto ezishiwe lentombazane yebo kona kwesinye isikhathi izokhuluma budlapha phela ngoba uthi ayibheka ingane mina ngimdala bo kodwa bafethu uma sihlala nathi noma no auntie sibuza ukuthi yayisukele lento yokuthi abantu besifazane bathathe iadvantage kubantu besilisa bathi bona yabo bathi bona ngalezi yakhathi kwakuba behamba imhlahlo behamba imicimbi yangaleso sikhathi imsindo nani yayingekho lento yokuthi umuntu osifazane at the age of 12 esikoleni usazi ukuthi umfana umemshelile kuzofanele kube khona amphathela kona behlohlwa nabangani ukuthi nami sengiyathandana sengiyakuthola ukuthi bafowethu ngicela ningizwe kahle lento iqalwe wosisi bama 70s 80s bedlala niyangizwa manje ingekho ukuthi lento isuke
ukusebenzisa abafana
into ethi ayibe nje kanjalo ngoba the time ngizothina angizosho ukuthi technology kodwa the time kushintsha lo byabzulu ngoba inkulumo ize yathi amaZulu kanjengala dead comment yabo lento ibingenjena intombazane bihamba namantombazane umfana ahambe nabafana kuyolusu ezikoleni kuphinde nalemfundiso lemfundo nayo bafethu seyieda lapho yebo ingane iyakhuluma ikhulume kabi kwesisikhathi nathi sesibona hayike la yabo usephumile ngempela ke esandleni futhi ngeke nize nithande ngoba nani fanele ninizwele abanye benu okubathintayo yabo kodwa abanye ngempela bafethu bayadlala ngabantu besilisa uzukhumbula ibhekela lento sisi namhlanje abantu besilisa sebebulala abantu besifazane uma umdala uyazi lento uzoyivuma kodwa eminyakeni ewu15 edlule bafethu abantu besilisa bebezihenga asibeni serious bebezihenga angazi yini le yahamba yazi yathi nebafethu kunokuthi sihenge ngeke ngcono sibashayeni angibavuni but umesithi mina ngihlala ke la engizothi ngiqashisile khona and indawo la kusondelene khona neThawini abantu basuka ngasemakubo bafethu bezohlala la ngizokuchazela isimo sala mfethu amantombazana asuka komshwathi oh ngingasanichazela
manje
indaba indaba
ngoba phela manje usukuba one abantu besifazane have always angisho nje umuntu wesilisa has always been the one ofika nama resources
angisho ukuthi ngike ngachaza ngathi mina endaweni engihlala ku ngike ngachaza kodwa ngathi mina endaweni engihlala kuyona lokho akuchazayo yena kwesinye isikhathi siyakubona thina kwenzeka kwangempela mina menginibheka nini impilo eniphilayo mhlawumbe okunye kuyanidlula nikubonanga thina sikubonile ngempela kwenzeka yabo la mina ngizochazeka kunabantu besifazane abafike bezofuna umsebenzi
yakwazi lokho social media ayikho isifundisana into engasasibonisayo noma ngabe kuthiwa ke social media uyahamba phela kwesinye isikhathi uyovakasha lapho election bese uhamba uyovakasha mahamba uyovakasha emalokishini uyayibona lento yenzeka nanokuthi futhi even if uhlala la usabakuthina uvakashile election But uyayibona lento eyenzeka if you are out and about, this is the example you're out at dinner or you're out at whatever. Ubone nje ama-conversations, ukwenza ama-conversations, yabona ke la, ungathi kudlaliwe-ke, bazokhona iskima abaphezu kwayo, siyayazi. What is your point? Ukuthi manje, ushiruthi abavuni. What is your point? Kahle, what point are you making? Because I'm seeing you being scattered all over. And ngiyayizwa into zami, ngiyayizwa into eshoyo. But I don't get ukuthi uyaphi. Like, what is your actual point? Oyishoyo wena, what are you trying to say? Ukuthi abantu besifazane baqalile yonke lento. That's actually what you said. That's the only thing that I've heard you say so far.
Ngicela ukubuza mina bese uqhubeke but
ngathi mina
do you acknowledge
uma yena
Ngasishawa network.
Asibuza nangomunye uqoba.
Sawubona mina ba.
Mawolo siyaphila.
Kanjani?
Ndiphilile molweni guys ndiyathemba niyaphila nonke.
Phela mina ukuthi na yep.
Awunto kosakhuluma nkosiyami.
Enkosi.
iyabamba phela isikhathi eside bese khathi yayiqhubeka.
Banikele
Enkosi.
na athili kuze isikhathi ukuthi hayibo mina ngiyanikela ngeke nginako kodwa lo engagama